everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're actually going to be doing a review on the makeup eraser. I got this in a recent FabFitFun box, and I'm very curious to see if this works, how this works, and if it actually takes off as much makeup as it says it does. So that's what we're going to do today. And you may notice this makeup. I actually did this makeup in a video. I don't know if this one's going to go up before the tutorial or the review, but I don't think so. I think the review will be out before this. If the makeup is familiar to you, then that's what it is. I just changed a shirt because I was cold. So it says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy hobbitses." Anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this. I'm super excited. So you guys, if you want to see the review on the makeup eraser, then just keep on going. So basically, I'm gonna kind of do this as a review for this, and then I may go ahead and just do kind of like my nighttime routine as well, and just kind of show you what I use on my skin after I wash my face. Oh, well, that went back a little too. What is happening? Okay, so I've got all of this kind of like pinned back, and I have a cup of warm water right here. They say that this does have to be washed before you're able to use it, so I was able to wash it at my parents' house. Since you have to wash this, it does some kind of like not chemical reaction, but like it activates the fibers in here for it to work properly. I'm not gonna dunk this entire thing into this water. I'm just gonna do like a little piece. I'm gonna get it really saturated here, and we'll see how this goes, because obviously after you do end up using all of this, you will have to wash it again to get the rest of the makeup out of it. So I've dumped it into my water, so now you can see that it's kind of like damp here. And for this one, I'm gonna use this side because apparently the side with the tag has like an exfoliating property to it. I've got this. Let me actually zoom you in just a little bit so you can see the whole face. Okay, so I've got you zoomed in. I've got this wet, so let's go ahead and just go big or go home. We're gonna start off on the eyes here, and then it says just kind of like lay it on there and then just go in like circular motions, and then kind of like pull down. Wow. That's actually not bad at all so far. Wow, I kind of want to make sure that I get the mascara off of my lashes. That's the one thing that I want to make sure comes off, because I did use a pretty heavy duty mascara today. It's very soft. I don't feel like I'm having to like super drag it. I do have to press a bit hard. Holy crap, that's actually kind of incredible. I'm doing half my face right now so you can kind of see. And then I'm actually gonna go, I'm just gonna grab a normal washcloth, and I want to test, oh wow. I'm gonna grab a normal washcloth and I'm gonna test it just to see what a normal rag would do. I actually saw Tatte's video from like 5 years ago about this exact same thing, and she did use a normal towel to see. So that's not like an original idea. I'm sure many people have done that, but I did want to give credit there because Tarte did do this with the other rag compared to this. So I'm gonna go grab one of those and be right back. Okay, I got my normal washcloth rag. This is kind of like a Christmas one that I have, but I'm just gonna put this in a little bit of water as well, and then try to do the other side and see if anything substantial happens with just the rag. I don't know what kind of sorcery is in this thing, because this is wild. And I'm not using any cleanser or anything. All right, here's the rag side. Huh. Definitely a big difference. Okay. Okay. Definitely gonna finish off with this. I'm gonna get it a little bit more wet here. This is actually very interesting. It even got my brow stuff out. Oh my god. I am absolutely shocked at this. I cannot believe this is getting this out as well as it is. And then I do foundation my neck quite a bit, you know, so your face matches your neck and all that. And by the way, no, if you can see this is not a hickey, this is a patch of dry skin. Like everyone says. It's not a hickey. It's actually not. It's actually not a hickey at all. It's a patch of dry skin. But you guys, I am absolutely shocked. And I used probably, not half, but like a third of the towel maybe. And if I don't have to spend money on cleanser either, this is absolutely, like, I feel like I say the word absolutely so much. So basically, this took off my entire makeup because genuinely, I don't know the sorcery that's in this. I don't know if Gandalf the Grey and Dumbledore put some kind of like cleaning spell on this to make it like incredible, but like this is freaking bomb. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do a little bit of nighttime skincare with you guys as well. After I do my after I wash my face, it's getting into winter time here in Tennessee, so I am getting very, very dry very quickly. So I am going to use a little bit of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I am literally almost out. I'm so sad. And I usually just do this just to give my skin a little bit of extra hydration because I do really like it a lot and I think it really helps. And then after I do that, I'm actually trying out this serum right here. This is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I got this in my most recent BoxyCharm and this thing is $90. So I really want to try it and give it a shot. It is a serum. It's supposed to be very hydrating and like kind of like a quenching serum. And I usually actually just kind of do one of these numbers. I know this is a very Instagram thing to do, but I don't know. I just feel like it's easier. And then just rub it in. Rub it in. I used this last night as well, and I did notice that it's a bit thicker. It is kind of sticky, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it could do a pretty good job of hydrating the skin. And it didn't like irritate my skin or anything like that. Obviously, I wouldn't use it if it did that. It looks very weird going on, so try to rub it in real quick. And then usually after this, I would go in with some kind of like vitamin C serum, but since this is brand new, I don't want to use too many products on my skin right now because I am having a few breakouts, and it's kind of weird because I do not have acne-prone skin personally. So I'm wondering kind of what's going on. I don't know if it's something that I'm using. I was using an oil just to kind of go over my moisturizer because again, my skin is so dry. So I was using an oil to go over my skin after moisturizer, but I think that might be a little too much and it may be clogging my pores. So I'm not using the oil right now. For moisturizer, I've been loving this moisturizer for a while now actually. This is the Youth to the People Aptogen Deep Moisture Cream. Freaking love this stuff. I think this is like my third bottle of it, and it looks like this inside, and I actually use quite a lot of this, honestly. I probably use more than I should, but I just kind of go over and just apply moisturizer like you normally would. I'm still so shocked that this face eraser worked as well as it did. I look exactly like I would if I took a shower and washed my face with my cleanser and a washcloth. One last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use a lip scrub, real quick like. This is from Jeffree Star. This is in the shade. This is in the flavor Rainbow Sherbet, and it's green. Look how cool that is. I actually really enjoy Jeffree's lip scrubs. I don't really use lip scrubs all that much, honestly, but when I do use one, I really enjoy this. And I also like the Fenty one that is just like in a stick. This looks so weird. I'm just like talking with my mouth all crusty. Hi, how you doing? It's so weird. I'll wipe the rest of this off now. And then the final step is I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of lip gloss. This is a very hydrating lip gloss in my opinion. This is the Florence by Mills lip gloss. I have been obsessed with this ever since I got it, and I got it like 2 months ago. I got it before I went to Italy, so I think back in September. And this is in the shade Mellow Mills, and it's just like kind of like a pinky clear gloss, but I really, really like it. It's very hydrating on the lips. It does have a little bit of tackiness to it. Actually, no, it doesn't. It did for a second when I was applying it, but it actually doesn't have very much tackiness, literally at all. I'll either use this or I'll use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I love that one as well, but I have really been into this recently, so I wanted to use that. But yeah. And you guys, that has been my review on the makeup eraser slash kind of my nighttime routine for this product right here. You guys, this is actually incredible. I genuinely had no idea what I was getting into when I tried this out. I didn't know if it was going to be kind of like a gimmick. I didn't know if it was going to be something that actually did its job and worked really well. This thing actually blew me away. I did not know it was going to be honestly this good. I did not use the exfoliant side side. I kind of forgot about that. But apparently the side with the tag is an exfoliator and it's supposed to exfoliate the skin. So next time I will definitely try this side out. But I 100% will be using this. This is probably going to be a staple in my makeup removal process going forward now, because I didn't have to use any kind of cleanser. I just used water, y'all. But you guys, that has been the video for today, the review on the makeup eraser. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you have the makeup eraser as well, what are your thoughts? Let me know if you have any kind of like tips or tricks to work with it. And honestly, if you use this as well, and if you don't use cleanser with it, please let me know. Are you just supposed to use water, and are you supposed to use this and then wash your face again with cleanser? Is there something that I'm missing? Please let me know. I'd love to know that. But that is going to be the end of the video, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!